Sawatita Scipuli. Today's video is the first lesson in Chapter 14 in Latin for the New Millennium. And we're going to learn how to form the future tense for the first and second conjugations only. So in future videos, we're going to learn how to do it for the third and third IO and fourth. But for right now, just the future tense for the first and second. Okay, so just a review. Remember that a verb that can conjugate has 5 characteristics: person, number, tense, voice, and mood. You know first, second, and third person in the singular and the plural. You know the active and the passive. You actually now know the imperative mood in addition to the indicative mood. And now you're going to learn one more tense. You know the present, you know the imperfect, and now you're going to learn the future. Future shows future action. Pretty straightforward. And the way that the future translates is will blank. You actually can translate the future shall blank as well, but you actually can only use the word shall with the first person. So you can say I shall or we shall, but that's it. So since we are learning today how to form the future for the first 2 conjugations, what you need is your present stem, and then you need to add your future endings. Okay, so present stem for the first 2 conjugations is the second principal part minus the RE. And then you add these future endings on there. So the future endings for the active are bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. And in the passive is bor, beris, bitor, bimor, bimini, buntor. Okay? So, with our paradigm verb, amo, amare, amawi, amatum, we take our second principal part and take off the RE. That gives us the present stem, ama, and onto that we're going to add bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. Bor, beris, bitor, bimor, bimini, buntor. Okay? So that leaves us with I'm a bow, I will love. I'm a bis, you will love. I'm a bit, he or she or it will love. I'm mobimus, we will love. I'm a bitus, y'all will love. And I'm a bunt, they will love. And then the future passive, I'm a bor, I will be loved. I'm a beris, you will be loved. I'm a bitor, he, she, or it will be loved. I'm a bimor, we will be loved. I'm a bimini, y'all will be loved. And I'm a buntor, they will be loved. I want to point out one little thing. There is an idiom, amabote, literally translates as I will love you, but the idiomatic translation for this is please. So if you want to say please in Latin, you say amabote. Okay? This is an example of a first conjugation in the future. Here's our second conjugation in the future, video, videre, and here we're going to move this up a little bit. Video, videre, weedy, weesome. Our present stem, take off the RE from the second principal part, it gives us wide. So we get wide a bow, wide a bis, wide a bit, wide a bimus, wide a bitus, wide a bun, wide a bor, wide a beris, wide a bitor, wide a bimor, wide a bimini, wide a buntor. Okay, make sure that you guys write down the translation for this particular verb and take very good notes, and I will check them in class. All right, walete.